we continue our videos and we can go here to see what we have to do in the final part of our adventure. We must battle these guys, not that fast. This guy has Weevil. I send out Sharpedo. Surf, and the next Surf takes Weevil down. Yes, it is. And now faster. Scolipede may have a back type move versus my Sharpedo. No, doesn't. Flamethrower goes for the Earthquake. Flamethrower takes Scolipede down. Next guy has Jellicent. Come on, the Jellicent, as I have told you, is never KO'd. Never. Crunch, Jellicent is down. I guess a very strong, super effective stab physical move would take down Jellicent. Now this guy has Crobat. I'll send out Steelix. Rock Slide. It has Heat Wave, which does almost exactly the half. Crobat is down. What's going on? Blah blah. This guy has Drapion and Toxicroak. I don't know why it stacks on the minutes. Let's send out Dragonite and put someone to sleep. Drapion, which is bulkier. Drapion now is sleeping. Fly and Leech Seed to Drapion. Toxicroak goes for the Cross Chop, which is resisted. Leech Seed to both. Now Toxicroak after the bulk up will take Fly, I guess. Well, it doesn't, he will heal now. Dragon Dance and Sludge Bomb. I take Leech Seed from both. Drapion is down. He has Crocodile. Toxicroak has both Bulk Up and Nasty Plot. Interesting. Fly and Razor Leaf. Toxicroak is down. Houndoom now. I almost want to sleep. I may sleep. This was a very difficult day for me. Houndoom is down. Now this battle was also difficult. Hyper Beam, no. Crocodile wakes up and goes for the Outright. To Venus or not to Crocodile. Not to Dragonite. And Crocodile is down. So let's fight the Trainer Joy and whatever the name was. Surf and the Iron Head. Now why did I go for the Iron Head versus Lucario, not Zoroark? I don't know. Pig versus Lucario. Fire Punch to Sharpedo, not to Steelix. Zoroark is down. And Lucario will faint too. No, it won't. Now it will. So we can continue. We are on this city. This is Florina's back, so I guess we have to go find Florina. A lot of trainers on this route. Surf versus Golem, which is down. Crustle. My Surf is boosted from the rain. Crustle is down. And Probopass, which No, that high. Probova is also down. A double battle. They have Mincino and Whimsicott, which is not fair on this game. Mincino is down. It will go for the solar beam, but it won't have the time for it. It is down. And we can continue a battle with this girl here. She has Gumping, which is Psychic type, went for the rest for some reason. Crunch. Gumping is not down, now it rests and heals, but 2 attacks take Gumping down. A battle with this guy here and his Scissor. Which is down. Machamp is 85 and Blaziken. That goes for the resist Stone Edge, Drain Punch. Overheat under the rain does quite good. Blaziken is down. Surf. I don't know, actually I think I can catch these guys anyway. Let's go up. Here to this forest, I guess we will find and save Florina. From a trainer or from Hypno or from I don't know who. In Fire Red you save a girl from a Hypno. I don't remember the girl's name. Let's see what we have to do. Oh, I have to beat this Chandelure. Okay, Stone Edge I miss, and I don't break the sub. Now I break the sub. Stone Edge, Chandelure is down. We have saved her from this Chandelure and we can continue. I must go find something else now. Here. Here we are. We will fight Light now, I think, for the last time, probably. If I have the time, I'll do it on this video. If not, I will continue later. One minute and a half I have on this video, so I will do the battle to be comfortable on the next one. Here we are on the next video.